Hello my dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we are going to start a new topic, that is LSMW. The full form of LSMW is Legacy System Migration Workbench. Before starting, I request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's topic, that is how to create LSMW in SAP. So first of all, what is LSMW? The LSMW is used to upload the mass data into SAP. It is used to upload the mass data into SAP. Mass data may be your vendor list, customer list, your asset list, GL list, cost centers, profit centers, etc. Whatever you want to upload into SAP, first of all, we have to make the LSMW of that particular T code. Then we can upload it into SAP. Through that LSMW, we can upload the mass data into SAP. So the T code to create a LSMW is same, the LSMW. The T code is itself LSMW. So let's go to SAP screen and see how to create LSMW. Now here we will run the T code LSMW and press enter. When you first time enter the LSMW T code, that time you will get this message. Then just click on this no longer display this message and then just continue. Now this is the screen of LSMW. Here you can maintain the project name, sub-project name and object. Now the question is, what is project, sub-project and object? In this presentation I have mentioned here each terms. That first is your project. What is project? Here project represent the physical implementation project. In a company, when you going to implement any new project, so the administration team or your company will give the name of that particular project. So in that field you can enter the project name. So like whatever is your project name, you can enter here. Like I am entering here ABC. I am entered here ERP solutions. So now just enter the project name and just click on create. Here then you can give the description about your project, like implementation project. And just press enter or continue. As you press enter, you will get the field sub-project. Now the question is, what is sub-project? Here I have described here, sub-project represent the modules like your finance module, material management module, whatever the module you are going to implement in the company, you can create modules here in the sub-project. So the sub-project field represent your modules. Like I am entering here finance. and just press enter, or you can give the description here. Here you can give the description about your module, which module you are going to create. Just press enter or continue. So as you mention your project, then a new field will open, that is object. Now what is the mean by object? So object represent the T code through which we create the mask data. Here you can maintain the T code through which we are going to upload the mask data. So for which T code you are going to create this LSMW, so you can maintain the detail in the object. So object represent your T code. Like if you want to create a GL creation LSMW or vendor master LSMW or customer master, whatever you want to create LSMW, so here you have to mention the name here for your T code, for which particular T code you are going to create this LSMW. So we will maintain the field like GL creation. And just here you can maintain the description. GL creation and press continue. Now here you can see your all fields have filled with your informations which you have entered now. Like project is your ERP solution implementation project, submodule is finance which represent as sub project, and your object represent your T codes like your GL creation. Or here you can create more fields under this fields. Like in a ERP solution, if you want to create the another submodule, first just we'll get back. Now if you want to change or create a new module, that is your material management, so we will enter and just click on this create. Here you can give detail. And just continue. Here you can maintain the object for which object you are going to create it. Mention the detail like GL creation. And so here you can maintain the T code, and project means your submodule, your modules. Here you can see the list of your modules, like you have created 2 modules, finance and MM. Like this you can create the other modules. Similarly, if you want to create the LSMW of different fields, like for vendor master, so here you can maintain the detail like vendor master. And just click on create. Again you have to tell the object vendor master, so we will click on this create, and here we will mention the object. Continue. So here again you can see the list, whatever you have created. Just click on this, and here if you want to create your customer master, so mention here and just click on create. So under this finance module, you want to create your customer master. So mention the detail here. Like this, you can maintain the details about your T codes and your module and your projects. Here you want to see the list, what the T codes you have mentioned here. So you can see the list by pressing F4 key or just click on this option. Here you can see under this finance you have created two categories like GL creation and your customer creation. And you have created the two modules, finance and MM. So similarly you can maintain for the others also.